Welcome to a world where timeless elegance meets modern luxury. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking forest green and bronze mansion, a true masterpiece that blends rich heritage with contemporary design. From the very first glance, this mansion captivates with its stunning forest green facade accented by deep bronze trims. The colors create a sense of strength, legacy, and sophistication. The main gate, crafted in ornate bronze, makes a grand statement of arrival, while the lush landscape garden adds natural harmony, perfectly complementing the deep green tones of the exterior. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The grand foyer greets you with soaring ceilings, elegant chandeliers, and bronze accents that shimmer under soft lighting. The living room is designed for both comfort and grandeur, featuring forest green velvet seating, polished wooden floors, and bronze-framed windows that bathe the space in natural light.